Welcome back to the channel. Zain with you. If you are thinking about driving for Curri in 2025, this video is for you. Today, I will give you an honest review of the Curri driver experience, the good, the bad, and everything in between. And let's get into it. What is Curri? Curri is a logistics platform that connects drivers with same-day delivery gigs, mostly for construction and industrial supplies. Think of it like DoorDash, but instead of food, you are delivering things like plumbing pots, HVAC units, or building materials. You can drive a car, pickup truck, cargo van, or even a box truck depending on the job. How it works. Once approved as a driver, you will get delivery requests through the Curri driver app. You will see pickup and drop off locations, the pay, and mileage. And then you can accept or decline the job. Most jobs are one way, meaning you are not expected to return, and many of them are time sensitive, usually for contractors waiting on site. Pros. Number one, decent pay per trip. Many drivers report earning between $25 to $75 per trip, and even more if you have a larger vehicle. Flexible schedule. No shifts or quotas. Accept deliveries when you want. Perfect for gig workers or part-timers. Same-day pay. Payments are sent out quickly, usually within 24 hours through Stripe. Simple app interface. The Curri app is straightforward and shows all key job details before you commit. Variety of deliveries. Some jobs are light and quick, while others are heavier and pay more. It's up to you. Cons. Now for the cons, number one, we have inconsistent gigs. Job availability heavily depends on your location. Some areas have frequent deliveries, others barely get any. No pay for wait time. If a pickup is delayed, you may end up waiting without extra compensation. Vehicle wear and tear. Larger items can be rough on your car or truck, especially if not secured well. No mileage reimbursement. The pay is flat rate, so gas and wear and tear come out of your earnings. Physical labor. You may have to load and unload heavy items, especially if you are in a pickup or van. Who is it best for? Curri is ideal for gig workers who want to diversify outside food delivery, people with trucks or vans looking for better paying gigs, drivers in metro areas or construction heavy zones. If you are rural or only have a small sedan, your options may be limited. Final thoughts. So now you may ask yourself, is Curri worth it in 2025? Yes, if you are looking for flexibility, fast pay, and already have the right vehicle. No, if you expect daily jobs in low demand areas or want consistent earnings. It is not perfect, but it can be a solid side hustle, especially if you are smart about which gigs you take. If you have driven for Curri, drop your experience down below in the comments. It helps others out. And that's all for today's review. Please don't forget to support us with like and subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.